The toolbar on iOS provides some slottable spaces where you can put some object in your navigation. You can think of this like holes on a Lego block where you can place some specified items. To get access to the SwiftUI toolbar, you need to place the content in a navigation stack. In this example, we have a thumbnail icon, audio indicator, and a pause icon, all placed in the navigation stack. To get access to the toolbar, you need to use the toolbar modifier for the content placed in the navigation stack. Using the toolbar, we get access to slottable spaces such as the top left, top center, top right, and the bottom part of the screen. In our example here, we can say on the top left, we want to put a cancel icon. On the top center of the screen, we can put something like the title of the screen. We call that the principal section. So to add the title, we can add the navigation title modifier. Then we can write recording. To make it appear in the principal slot, what we need to do is to set the navigation title display mode. So below the navigation bar title, let's add the navigation title display mode and set it to inline. So we now have the title of the screen appearing at the principal section, which is the top center. What we can do is to put another content. So let's put a comment on what we just did. So this is a recording screen. So what we can do is to put an animation that shows recording. So we have an animation and a count up timer on the top center of the screen. Next, on the top right, we can say we want to put another content. So you can see here on the top right, we have the placement as navigation bar trailing. On the center, on the top center, we have dot principal, and on the top left, we have navigation bar leading. These are not the only slots where we can place some items using the toolbar. Since we don't have the title appearing anywhere, let's add another toolbar item and place it at the bottom part. Below this toolbar item, let's add another one. Next, we need to add the placement parameter and set it to bottom bar. So this will make whatever content we place in the toolbar item closure appear at the bottom part of the screen. So let's add a text. And this places the text at the bottom part of the screen. Apart from the top and the bottom slots in the toolbar, we can pin items to the keyboard as well. So let's go to the second example. To illustrate this example, we need to use the iOS keyboard, and that doesn't work with the preview. So let's use the simulator on the left. I have already run the app, so by clicking this test field, we get access to the iOS keyboard, so we can type whatever we want. Using the SwiftUI toolbar, we can pin some items to this keyboard, like pinning icons on the top of the keyboard. To pin items to the keyboard, we can say we want to have a toolbar item with a placement of keyboard. So let's run the app. Now, if I put the cursor on the text field, you can see we have the mic icon appearing on the top left of the keyboard. We can add several items. For example, we add another toolbar item and make it appear on the right part of the mic icon. That is another SF symbol waveform. Then we can add another one again. So by clicking the text field, you can see we have all these icons appearing on the keyboard. For the last one, you can see here it is an empty string, so it is not appearing on the keyboard. For example, if I put bell, if I click the text field, you can see the bell icon has also appeared on the keyboard. So this is what you can do with the SwiftUI toolbar. You can use it to place specified items in the top navigation, bottom navigation, or on the keyboard. Thanks for watching this video.